Welcome to Rheidon Tech. In this guide, we'll show you how to submit feedback through the Rheidon Plus app and how to check on any feedback you've submitted before. Start from the app's home screen. Tap the profile icon in the top corner to open your account and settings page. Under General Settings, tap Help and Feedback. Then tap Submit Feedback first. Choose the category that best describes your issue. This helps our team get your report to the right person. Next, write a short description of what you experienced. You can also attach a screenshot to help us understand the problem more quickly. Then, enter a valid email address. Our support team will use this to follow up with you directly. Once everything looks good, tap Submit Feedback. Your report will be sent to our team straight away. To review past submissions, tap the document icon in the top right corner of the feedback page. From there, you can track the status of any issue you've previously reported. For further support, visit our website or contact our customer service team. Happy charging!